welcome back to my channel. Do you want to learn Chinese fast, tough, and accurate? And this video is for you, alright? And we usually go over with homework from last video, which this is homework, okay? This is 这是第21句话 sentence we called 话 and this is our 成语 from last video. There are two animals. 马 is a horse. two马 same, okay? 和虎 is tiger, same, both are 虎, okay? Seeing is neither like a horse or a tiger. But what this 成语 is really saying is careful or careless. And I made a sentence from this 成語, okay? Here, 造句 is make a sentence. So, 自凹造基于句造句 okay? 造句 okay? 他 is he. 高温工自我做工作 is work. But in this case is past tense, so it's worked. 马虎虎 okay? Is this 成语马虎虎 careless. 之为最和欧后最后 is finally. 日昂让 is got. 了凹老不安板老板 is boss. 解个无故了解雇了 means fired. So 他工作马虎虎最后让老板解雇了 Let's go over with our sentence, okay? 和 is and. 他们的他们的 their. 父其因亲父亲 is father. Zebedee. 自哀在 we usually say is in, but in this case because it's on the boat, so it has to be on. 是湾船是 on 上船上 is a boat. 是温准不 a 备准备 is prepare. 一乌鱼乌安网渔网is nets. 耶是乌苏耶稣 is Jesus. 基凹教 is cold. 他们is them. No license, okay? We have a new 成语 new sentence. And this is 20, okay? 22句话22句话 And we have a new 成语 okay? 一的凹刀了一昂两标不安断 Okay, in this 成语 I will give you two clues. Probably this one you already know is 一 Okay, so 1 1 okay. 刀 is a knife. Okay, knife. Okay, you find out these two words. What's the meaning? Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how to write our 成语 Okay, 一刀两断 I don't know why we just call this 一 but it should be 一 I don't know. But in this case we say 一刀两断 Okay, 一刀 is a knife. It look like knife, right? 两断 Okay, let's study our sentence. 他们他们了一立克立刻舍弃了舍弃了吃无安船凹告波耶别了告别了父其因亲父亲个恩根次翁从了跟从了耶是乌苏耶稣他们立刻舍弃了船告别了父亲跟从了耶稣他们立刻 舍弃了，舍弃了，船is a boat. 告别了，告别了。Usually, 了 means finished. Okay, 父亲，父亲，跟从了，跟从了，耶稣耶。This one will come out. 苏 Right, we have a homework. Okay, homework help you to get this language. Okay, download a translator. Translate each single word. But if I'm on the line, you can check them together. But if not, you just check them as one by itself. And this way helps you learn faster, remember easily. Okay. Write 2 times, read 30 times. Read 2 times. This actually is depend on you. If you have more time, you write more. When you write more, it helps you to remember tough. You don't forget it. That's mine. This is a point of my video. Watch an episode of Chinese TV series every day. Okay, I have 2 here. Okay, first one is called 还珠格格. Second one is called 神雕侠侣. Okay, those are very fun, entertainment. And in these movies, they are maintain a lot of 成语. If you learn from here, you will hear from there. Because Chinese people use a lot of 成语 when we talk. And I put these 2 videos under my video, and you can copy and paste to YouTube, so you will find them to watch. Okay, hope you guys have fun with your homework, and remember to give me a thumbs up and share and subscribe so you don't miss my new videos. All right, I will see you next Friday.